All new students to Raytown School District can enroll by visiting www.raytownschools.org and clicking on the pop-up link for Focus. The Focus system is based upon individual student enrollment, which will require you to attach your enrollment documents to each student in your family. Documentation needed for a new student includes student's proof of birth, government-issued ID for parent or legal guardianship paperwork if applicable, lease or mortgage, utility bill or startup confirmation for gas or electricity within the past 30 days, student immunizations. To register for a new parent portal account for a new enrolling student, click on here and follow the prompts. The link will direct you to the Focus Welcome screen. You can select a language other than English before you begin the registration process. Scroll down and click on the following. Link box A, I do not have an account registered in the parent portal. Enter all required fields with your information. You cannot create an account with a Raytown School District email address. Click the Show Password checkbox to display your password as you type to avoid errors. When all information has been entered, select the I'm not a robot checkbox and click Submit. Click I would like to apply for enrollment of a new child. Now that you are registered in Focus and have a parent portal, you will be able to apply for enrollment. All students must live within the school district boundaries. Click on the link, click here to know if my address is within the district. The link will redirect you to the district info finder. Click on the close box to exit out of the pop-up screen. Primary address, enter the number, street, and zip code. Click on search. This will populate zoned schools for your address. You must write down the schools in your area. You will use this information when filling out your student's application. Info Finder will populate all possible matches. Select the address that is exactly the primary address you provided. If the result box is not populating schools, the address is not correct or out of Raytown boundaries. To return to your student's application, exit out of the Info Finder tab by clicking the X. Once you have the zoned schools information for your address, you may begin your application. Enter your student's information, then click Begin Application. Before you begin your application, you will need a copy of your student's proof of birth, immunization records, parent ID, lease or mortgage, and utility bill to complete the enrollment. If you need more time to gather documents, you can always click on Save and Continue later throughout the application process. Click on Next Page to begin the application. To start enrollment, please answer all applicable questions. Those with an asterisk are required. Application year. Current school year, i.e. 2024-2025. Zoned school for the primary address the student has provided. Grade level. The grade level students will be in for the 2024-2025 school year. Please enter all address information and click Save Address. Click on Add a New Contact to add your first contact. The first contact will reflect the enrolling parent or legal guardian information. You can also add additional contacts such as dad, grandparent, aunt, or uncle on this screen. Please answer all applicable questions. Those with an asterisk are required. Check off the checkboxes for each contact you add. Custody, if you are a parent or legal guardian. Emergency, if you are a person to contact for an emergency. Pickup, allowed to pick up the student from school. Request interpreter. Documents translated into Spanish. Please enter your personal phone number. You will select priority for each phone number you enter under your contact information. Detail Priority 1 will be the first point of contact that the school district will use. You will also do this for every additional contact you add to your student's profile. Click on Save Contact once you are done. Click on Next Page to continue. Please enter the student's name as it appears on the proof of birth. Please answer all applicable questions. Those with an asterisk are required. Please upload your student proof of birth to continue the enrollment application. Please answer all applicable questions on pages 5 through 10. Those with an asterisk are required. Please upload current documents to continue your student's enrollment application. If you do not have the required documents, you can save and continue. This will take you out of the registration with your current information saved to finish at a later time. You can always log in through a mobile device to finish your application at any time. Please click to sign. Once you have signed, click on Sign Box and then click on Next Page to continue. Your student's records are required to start attendance. Fill in the information regarding the student's last school of attendance. If your student is pre-K, your screen will look different. Please answer all applicable questions. Those with an asterisk are required. Please upload immunization records to complete your enrollment application. Immunization records are required for all new students in the district. Please read carefully. Consent is required yes to complete your student's enrollment application. Click on Submit and Finish once you have completed all forms. Once the enrollment application has been successfully submitted, the parent portal screen will populate with your new student icon. Click on the second box to add another new enrollment for a new child, or click on the third box to access your parent portal. In the parent portal, if you need to add another new student, click on Forms on the left side panel and click on Online Application. The registration screen will populate. Select I would like to apply for enrollment for a new child. Then start the application for a new student. Remember, you will have to upload the required documents for each student you enroll.